maze. The project, I'm Jake Kai. The project I'm doing is maze. So my goal is to make a maze. My design is to make a maze that could be controlled by using the arrow keys. I use Python. I use if and def and print and for statements. So I tested 20 times, and my problem is that the picture won't show up. I fix it by defining the pictures. If I had more time, I will make the maze bigger. So demo. So I use arrow keys to control it. Well, when I get the keys, right? When I get the keys, the door disappears. So, and before this didn't pop up, and after I win, like this pops up. Any questions?
So in your slide, say you use def. What is def?
Like define the image, define the things.
So it's function, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
More. Try it. I'll try it.
All right, let's give him a round of applause.